Corrosion consumes billions of dollars of equipment and factory profits each year. Simply choosing a lubricant based on ability to meet a viscosity or NLGI grade is not enough. Lubricants must protect equipment from salts, acids, corrosive vapors, and water. But how well do traditional lubricants work? Accelerated corrosion testing is a common way to measure the corrosion resistance of paints and coating. Now we can use it to measure the ability of a lubricant to passivate ferrous surfaces and help stop corrosion. Let's take a look at how Chesterton 720 CCG protects equipment compared to other lubricants. The lubricants are used to coat the cold-rolled mild steel panels per ASTM B117 at the recommended thicknesses. Panels are then placed in the salt fog chamber for testing. Panels were observed in 8-hour intervals for signs of corrosion. As little as 3 spots, no more than 1 square millimeter, is an indication of failure. Let's take a look at the results. In under 1,000 hours, typical waterproof lubricants have failed to protect the mild steel panels from corrosion. However, Chesterton 720 CCG lubricant has protected the surfaces for 1,000 hours, or the equivalent of up to 5 years outside atmospheric conditions found in pulp and paper, marine, water, wastewater, and food industries. Choose Chesterton 720 CCG for top-notch corrosion protection. Your equipment will last longer in tough conditions, giving you peace of mind.